Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends onto your PUBG mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PUBG mobile game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your Facebook or your Google account to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can directly start playing your preferred game. Now, if you wish to invite someone into the PUBG game to play together, then tap on the friends icon at the top left corner and then click on invite to team at the bottom. You will now find the link by which you can invite your friend. You can use your messenger, your WhatsApp, and you can also use SMS. And you will find more options if you tap on more. From the more section, you can copy this link and you can also use various other applications to invite someone onto the PUBG game. Once you choose a method, you can proceed forward with anyone that you wish and they will receive the invite link by which they can join you within your game on PUBG. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite someone over to your PUBG game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.